The 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Mercedes brought out the C-Class in 1993 as a replacement for the 190e, and since then, it has sprouted 3 generations and has become the most important model in the company's lineup. To keep the momentum going, Mercedes-Benz launched the 4th generation C-Class, internally called the W205, replacing the 7-year-old W204 model. The car's design lines are inspired by the F800 Concept Car displayed at the 2009 Geneva Motor Show but also borrows styling cues from the bigger S-Class sedan. This changes the looks of the C-Class quite significantly compared to the previous model, which now seems to be downright featureless. The new compact also has a more organic feel thanks to its sculpted, muscular body that also integrates a few angular, aggressive cues. The interior is also brand new, and again, heavily inspired by the S-Class. This is a good thing though, as the full-size sedan has one of the most exciting cabins in its niche. And having seen the 3 Series interior, it's safe to say that the C-Class wins the battle hands down. Finally, the compact sedan also comes with a range of new engines in both the standard and the AMG versions. Find out more about that in the review below. Continue reading to learn more about the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Exterior: the C-Class also grew in size to help distance it from Benz's entry-level sedan, the class pretty much everyone expected. The new generation Mercedes C-Class is more like an evolution, not a revolution of the previous model. But this isn't a bad, because Mercedes-Benz changes quite a lot. While the headlamps, taillights, and some features are borrowed from the larger S-Class, the rest are a significant departure from the old design. This is most visible onto the sides, where the new sedan showcases more organic and sculpted lines, while the shoulders are broader and give it a more aggressive stance. The lowered nose and more muscular rear fender also help with the sportier look. The C-Class also grew in size to help distance it from Benz's entry-level sedan, the CLA. This growth results in an extra 3.7 inches in length and 1.6 inches in width, and the wheelbase grew 3 inches. As a result of this growth, luggage capacity increased to 17 cubic feet. The new C-Class feels almost like a shrunken E-Class, and it will come in 2 different front looks, which we've seen in earlier Mercedes sedans. The new C-Class feels almost like a shrunken E-Class, and it will come in 2 different front looks. The Sport gets a centrally positioned, 3-point star logo, and the exclusive models a classic sedan grille with the Mercedes star on the hood. Neat additions to the new C-Class are the radiator grille fins that close to help drop the car's CD value to 0.24. Other updates include a more streamlined look that has a sportier fascia with large intakes, more sculpted flanks, and a new headlight design with standard H7 halogen lights or optional LED lights. Overall, the C-Class is by far the more appealing compact when compared to the BMW 3 Series and pretty much on par with the latest, sportier Audi A4. Interior: the new C-Class gets a totally new center console, which varies in design. Depending on the gearbox type, the exterior may be just an evolution of the previous generation, but the interior is heavily revised. The cabin features a 7-inch touchpad, a state-of-the-art heads-up system, new seats and high-end materials, like aluminum and wood. The new C-Class gets a totally new center console, which varies in design, depending on the gearbox type. On models with an automatic gearbox, the center console gets just 1 trim piece, while manual transmission-equipped models get 2 trim pieces. Of course, you might have noticed that the center stack and dashboard are very similar to the S-Class. While this is a big advantage for the compact, I have to praise Mercedes-Benz for revising both units and giving them a somewhat unique look inside the C-Class. Atop that gorgeous center stack with aviation-inspired A/C vents and premium trim sits either a 7-inch or 8.4-inch optional screen with the company's latest Command Online system. The sedan is also equipped with Intelligent Drive, a suite of features that improve safety and convenience. The sedan is also equipped with Intelligent Drive, a suite of features that improve safety and convenience. The package includes Attention Assist, which can warn the driver of inattentiveness and drowsiness, Adaptive Brake Assist, which offers protection from collisions from speeds as low as 4 miles per hour, and the autonomous braking feature that comes with Collision Prevention Assist Plus. Then there's Distronic Plus with Steering Assist and Integrated Stop and Go Pilot, which is a semi-automatic traffic jam assistant which at speeds under 37 miles per hour is able to follow the vehicle ahead even where lane markings are unclear or completely lacking. Other features include BA plus brake assist, active parking assist, traffic sign assist with wrong way alert, and adaptive high beam assist plus drivetrain. In the US, the base model uses a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder rated at 241 horsepower. Just like the previous generation, the new C-Class is available with a wide range of drivetrain options. In the US, the base model is called the C300, and it uses a turbocharged, 2.0-liter four-cylinder rated at 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Available with either RWD or AWD, this model can sprint to 60 miles per hour in as quick as 5.8 seconds. Next up is C350e plug-in hybrid, which combines a 2.0-liter four-pot with an electric motor for a total output of 275 horses and 443 pound-feet of torque. More oomph comes from the AMG C43, powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six rated at 362 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of twist. Moving over to the traditional AMG version, Mercedes offers the C63 and C63S model with a brand new, twin-turbo, 4.0-liter V8. This unit generates 469 horsepower and 479 pound-feet in the former and 503 horses and 516 pound-feet in the latter. Mercedes offers the C63 and C63S model with a brand new, twin-turbo, 4.0-liter V8. More gasoline options are available in Europe, starting with the C180 and its 1.6-liter four-cylinder that cranks out 154 horsepower and 184 pound-feet. A larger 2.0-liter engine comes with the C200, which benefits from 181 horses and 221 pound-feet. Slotting between the C200 and C300, the C250 uses the same engine, but revised to generate 208 horsepower and 258 pound-feet. The C400 is the least powerful C-Class powered by the inline-six engine, coming with 328 horsepower and 354 pound-feet. Then there's the C450 AMG, rated at a more appealing 362 horses and 384 pound-feet. Unlike North America, Europe also gets a range of diesel engines. 4 models are available, all powered by the company's 2.1-liter four-cylinder. The C220, be it manual or automatic, gets 168 horses and 295 pound-feet. The C250 gets a bit more oomph at 201 horses and 369 pound-feet, while the C300 hybrid tops the range with an output of 228 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of twist. Suspension and brakes. The new C-Class is built on the modular MRA rear-wheel drive architecture that makes the car 220 pounds lighter. The new Mercedes-Benz C-Class is built on the modular MRA rear-wheel drive architecture that makes the car 220 pounds lighter than the previous C-Class. Also, thanks to this reduced weight, fuel consumption drops by 20%. Additionally, the center of gravity is also lower, resulting in sportier driving dynamics. The new C-Class will be offered with a standard steel suspension that features a 4-link front setup and a 5-link rear setup. The advanced front suspension system is separate from the strut, allowing for quicker steering response. This base setup has 3 direct control options that offers a comfortable ride, a comfort, sport setting and a full sport setting that drops the ride height by 15 mm (0.59 inches), resulting in great performance. For the first time ever, the C-Class is also available with an optional airmatic air suspension. This suspension system that includes 4 driving modes, via its Agility Select system, Comfort, Eco, Sport, and Sport Plus. As standard features, the new C-Class will also offer, electromechanical direct steer system available later after the market launch and an electric parking brake. Prices. U.S. pricing for the Mercedes-Benz C-Class starts from $40,250, for which you get the C300 model. Opt for the all-wheel drive model and you pay an extra $2,000, for a final sticker of $42,250 before options. The C350e plug-in hybrid retails from $47,900. In Germany, the sedan comes in at €31,868, while British pricing starts from £29,035. Competition: BMW 3 Series. The benchmark for the compact premium class for decades now, the 3 Series continues to be a popular choice in both Europe and the United States. On this side of the pond, the German sedan is available with a choice of 4 gasoline and diesel engines, starting with the 320i with 180 horsepower coming from a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. Next up is the 330i with 248 horses, while the range-topping 340i delivers 320 horsepower. On the diesel front, the 328D cranks out 181 horses and 280 pound-feet of torque. A 330ei performance hybrid with 248 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of twist is also available. U.S. pricing for the 3 Series range begins from $34,900 and goes up to $50,950. Read our full story of the 2017 BMW 3 Series. Cadillac ATS. The company's smallest sedan yet, the ATS was introduced in 2012 to rival the 3 Series and C-Class in the United States. Inspired by the larger CTS design-wise and packed with luxury features on the inside, the ATS has already received a mid-cycle facelift and some engine upgrades for the 2016 model year. The base model uses a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 202 horsepower and 190 pound-feet, while the turbo option brings a 2.0-liter unit with 272 horses and 295 pound-feet under the hood. A larger 3.6-liter V6 cranks out 335 horses and 285 pound-feet in the range-topping version, not including the performance-oriented ATS V. Pricing for the ATS starts from $34,595. Read our full review of the Cadillac ATS. Conclusion: the C-Class is an extremely important car for Mercedes-Benz, and it's pretty obvious that the German firm gave this redesign the utmost attention. Brand new inside and out, inspired by the massive and elegant S-Class, and fitted with revised and new engines, the C-Class is readier than ever to go against the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4 in Europe and against the Cadillac ATS in the United States. Love it. Highly updated interior, lighter than the Model S, replaces lots of engines to choose from in the global market. Leave it. Lack of engine choices in the US, no diesel. Tough competition from BMW and Audi. Update history. Updated 1 June 2012, the next generation Mercedes C-Class has been caught testing one more time, now also revealing its interior. Updated July 22, 2013, new spy videos of the 2015 C-Class have popped up online. You can see them after the jump. Updated August 28, 2013, our spy photographers managed to catch the 2015 C-Class testing again, and this time they caught one out with no camouflage on its sides, giving us a good look at its sexy body lines. You can see the newest spy shots after the jump. Updated October 22, 2013, although the new C-Class won't make its official debut until the 2014 Detroit Auto Show, Mercedes decided to give us a glimpse of what the new sedan will bring on the market via its Facebook page. The company describes the C-Class interior as crisp, clean and contemporary, and bringing together high-grade materials with high-tech features. It will features a 7-inch, freestanding central display that will allow the driver to operate the head unit functions with a few simple finger gestures. Updated October 23, 2013, following the interior images posted on its Facebook account just yesterday, Mercedes unveiled today a new set of images for the upcoming C-Class, showing us a few more details on the sedan's interior. The car will get a completely reinterpreted center console, a head-up display that provides information on speed, speed limits, navigation instructions and messages. The new C-Class also features an intelligent and innovative lightweight construction that helps it dropping around 220 pounds from the total weight. Updated 3 December 2013, the first details on the new Mercedes C-Class will be revealed on December 16, while the world debut will be made in January at the 2014 Detroit Auto Show. The station wagon will arrive at the 2014 Geneva Motor Show. Mercedes-Benz Passion. Updated 12 December 2013, the first image of the upcoming Mercedes C-Class dropped on the internet today, before the car's official online debut set for December 16. Mercedes-Benz Passion. Spy shots. Back in June, we caught the 2015 C-Class was doing a little strip tease for us among some other Mercedes models on what looks to be a dealer's lot, or maybe a storage lot. From this uncovered side shot, you can easily see that the C-Class will borrow some of the body lines and the profile of the flagship S-Class. Sure, it is not a direct clone, but you can see the cues. After catching it without any camo at all, we managed to dig up the C-Class a few other times, but each and every time, it was under more camo than we saw initially. Here was likely the clearest spy shot of the C-Class, when we caught it with the taillights partially exposed and the bodylines in clear sight.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.